Guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials. In this video we will see how to find the CSS selector and how to use it in Selenium code for clicking on some web content or web element. So I have created one project name as a demo automation, and in that project we have the form.xml file where we have added the Selenium dependencies. So in previous video we have explained how to add the dependencies in form.xml file. So if you don't know how to do that, please watch my previous video. I have given link in description. So in that in that project I have created one package named as demo project, and in that demo project I have created one class named as locators. So in previous video we have learned how to use the XPath in Selenium and how to find the XPath from the web page. So now we are going to learn how to find this CSS selector and how to use it. So first we have to create object for WebDriver. So let's start WebDriver. Then we have to open the Chrome driver. For that we have one method named as system.setProperty. So this method having two values. One is a key and second one is a value. So in key we are going to give as a webdriver dot chrome dot driver. So here we are going to use the Chrome driver. That's why we have given Chrome driver. If we are going to use any other driver, then you can give that name, like for the Firefox it is the Gecko, and you can give same for the Edge driver. Then we have to give the path of your driver. So my driver is placed at desktop. I have created one folder, and in that folder I have placed that Chrome driver. And while giving the path to this method, we have to give the .exe extension. So here we are going to open the driver. It is the application, so it is in form of the exe. That's why we have to give the .exe extension and then semicolon. Now next we have to call that Chrome driver with the help of this object of WebDriver. So for that we have to write driver equals to new Chrome driver. Now here we are getting error message. So we have to import package for this WebDriver and Chrome driver. So just you have to hover your cursor on this cross sign, and you can get the package, that is import WebDriver. So double click. Same we have to do for the Chrome driver. So we have to give D as capital. So we have added both the packages. These are the Selenium packages which we need. Now we have to open a particular website. So for that the code is driver dot get URL. So this driver dot get URL is the method for the getting the driver. So I am going to use this demo website for my automation. If you want to use this website, you can get it from my description. I have given link in description. So then semicolon. Now we have to, let's just save this and run first. So you can see our browser is open and we have navigated to that particular website. So here we are going to click on some button. Let's see. Let's click on the sales option. So for that we have to write code as driver dot find. So here we are going to use find element by method for to get the CSS selector. So we have write the driver dot find element is our method, then by dot CSS selector. So you can see we are getting multiple locators here. So from that we are going to use the CSS selector. So click on the selector. Now here we have to view the CSS selector path. So how can we get? So first of all we have to get this URL, then open your browser, paste URL, just open that particular website which we are going to automate. Now here we are going to click on this sales option. So right click on that sales option and click on inspect. So whenever you are inspecting element, it get highlighted here. So now we have to right click on this highlighted part and click on copy. Then you can see all the selectors which available for the Selenium. From that we are going to use the CSS selector. So copy the CSS selector. Now we have to paste it here. So what we have get driver is the object, find element is the method, and we are getting it with the help of CSS selector. So now let's save the code and run it again. So our browser is open and we have navigated to that particular website. Now let's check it is clicking on sale or not. So it is not clicking. So we have to add one more thing here. So we are going to click on that particular button, this sale button. So for that we have to use another method, that is dot click method, to click on that button. Now let's save it again and run again. So our browser is open. We have navigated to that particular website. So let's check it is clicking on sale or not. So we are getting one of the issue. Let's try with another one. So let's try to click on this add to cart. So right click. So right click, click on inspect. Now copy the XPath for the selector. Just paste it here. Save the code and let's run it again. So our browser is launched. Then our website is open. We have navigated to that particular website. Let's see it is clicking on add to cart button or not. So you can see it is working. We have automated the button with the help of a CSS selector. So we have navigated successfully to the shopping cart or add to cart page. So in this way you can use the CSS selector in Selenium.